Hey everybody, welcome to our Splat and Chat painting channel today. We are going to paint something fun for our mothers today. We're going to do like a floral Mother's Day wreath. So if you're interested in painting something fun for your moms love anything homemade. They do,
no,
right?
I don't.
Are you a mom?
No.
Okay.
I'm a mom to a dog.
Oh, we love things that are homemade by you guys. So, if you're interested in painting something for your mom, stick around. Grab your pencils, your paintbrushes, your waters, we'll show you what we're going to need. And if you're interested in painting like all the time, subscribe to us and get all of our fun videos and all the fun things we do. Right? Are you ready? We're ready. For today's painting, you're going to want to get a palette for your paints, like a paper plate or something like that. You only need two sizes of paintbrushes today, a small one and a medium. Okay, can you see those? Small and a medium. Medium and a small paintbrush, okay? Water in a cup, paper towel, and then our paint colors today is kind of a fun palette. You can see all those colors. We got a brown, a white, a green, two different colors of green, a lighter green, a darker green. And then some pinks or rosies or even a yellow or orange, whatever you want to do for your flowers. This part is kind of the flowers, so whatever you want to do for flowers. Okay, let's get started. So, first thing you want to do is you want to find something that's round, this shape. Okay, and you're going to trace it onto your canvas. That's why we have the pencils. Okay, so we can let empty this out. Let's empty out our succulent lovelies for a minute. Oh, and we found a pretzel. That's disgusting. Do you want that? Are you hungry? What else is in here? Oh, look, a little compass. Cute. Like a Barbie compass. Okay, so take this and draw this kind of in the center of your canvas. Okay. It's a Lego one. Oh. Boys, we're going to freak out. Okay, Oakley, you show them what to do. You're going to trace around that circle on your canvas a little bit. Okay, draw a circle around the edge of your canvas. If you want to, you can do this in some kind of pen first, and then you won't have to paint back over the line. It's kind of nice.
You moved it.
It's okay. Moving is okay. Because we're going to move it again. Draw around your thing. Oh, did you get the best part? Okay, right there. Trace it down. And around. Okay, now, once you get your first circle drawn on there, I'm just going to move your canister slightly and draw another one. So go ahead and trace it on there. Go ahead and trace it. All the way around. There you go. Look, see that? Not several circles. And move it one more time. Let's do it right here.
They can't even see.
And do it like that. One more time. Awesome. So you end up with a ring that looks something like that. Is that fun? A bunch of rings. Okay, so now that you've done yours, let's do mine. Let's do mine. Oh, one. And they don't have to be perfect circles either, huh? And two. Yeah, three. And if you're good at drawing circles, you're going to have to use the thing. What's that? Yours looks way better than mine. Okay. All right, here's our circles to start with. Okay, so let's get our brown. We need this brown color first for kind of our wreath background. Okay, do you want to put that on yours? Okay, a little bit of brown. I got some. Okay, get your little paintbrush and get it wet. Get it dried off on your paper towel. Stick it in your brown. You're going to kind of try to follow those lines. You don't have to be perfect. And you can make them kind of bumpy and wiggly. Okay, just try to follow them somewhat. What you're doing is you're making kind of like a stick wreath here. And twigs are not straight at all, so close enough. And then when you're done, you can erase the pencil lines off of the whole thing. There, that's a good looking wreath. How's yours coming, Oakley? There you go. Okay, get a little bit of your light green. We use this kind of yellowish green color. It's called Kiwi in Apple Barrel colors. And get your smallest brush again. Get it cleaned off. Get all the brown off of it. And then get some water a little bit with it. And you're going to make these little fun little stems that come out. Just on this one side. My flowers are going to be along this side. If you want to, you can put them down here or up here. Wherever you want to. But I'm going to do mine along this side. I'm just going to make these little green stems that come out like this. Okay? Kind of in that area there. Okay, that looks cool because it's like a little twig coming out. So now you just take a little bit of the same green color and you make little dots kind of right off of your stems. Okay, so you start at the tip of the little tip of the spot that you went out, and you just make these little dots that kind of come off of it. Okay, looks like a little tiny leaf of some sort out there. Just dab your paintbrush onto it, right off the sides. Okay. Yeah, kind of like little tooty dots, huh? Now we're going to use our medium-sized brush, and we're going to get a little bit of the dark green this time. Okay, what you're going to do is dip your paintbrush in the dark green, and you can add a little bit of light green to it too, so you kind of have a little bit of the same two colors on the paintbrush at the same time. And then we're going to make some fun leaves, so you just start your leaf by putting the pokey part at the top, and then matching the pokey part again and bring it down. That's how you do a leaf. So we're going to do it up here too.
There's so much brown right there.
Right there in their spot? Yeah, you can let it dry. Do another leaf over here somewhere. So you're waiting for that to dry. Put more paint on it, honey, so it can have a lot of paint. A leaf is just a pointy, what's it called? Oval, huh? A pointy oval shape. There you go. Make a couple leaves on there, okay? Can you make a couple? Okay, now take your little brush again and dip it in just your dark green this time. And we're going to make some longer leaf branches that comes out. So just take your brush and just make a longer leaf, a longer leaf, a longer leaf, and drag them down. The longer leaves that come in. So here's a longer one, longer. Just kind of meeting them together like a stem and then bringing them in. Okay, here's one I'm going to put right into here, longer. Okay, you can put those wherever you want to in there. That one's going to be tucked behind my other shirt on the leaf, huh? What do we think? Yeah? Do one of those longer leaf ones down there too. I think I'll do one back here. Okay. We got the foliage on there. You just let it dry for a minute. Okay, you guys, we got our foliage all dried up and our wreaths are all dried up. Make sure they're really good and dry before you put the flowers on. Otherwise, you'll have a brown flower, a green flower. So these colors are the colors we're using for our roses, our flowers. But you can use any colors. Whites, oranges, or... Oh, can I put all those on the canvas? On your palette? You can use yellows or oranges or really hot pinks or whatever you want to do, okay, for that. Okay, so take this big brush. These roses are really actually lots of fun to do. Take this bigger of the two brushes that you have, so your medium brush. Get it a little bit cleaned off and wet, a little bit damp, and then dry it off. So it's just damp, very just Get it damp to the touch. Then we're going to start with some red on it, okay? We're going to kind of come in the middle of our red flower, which is going to be right about here, okay? And we're just going to make a little circle like this of red. Okay, easy, easy. And then you're just going to leave the red on there. Actually, I got a lot of red. I'm just leave a little bit of red on there. And then I'm going to dip it in my pink color, okay? And then from there, I'm going to kind of go around my circle with the pink. Okay, there you go. That's it. Then you get it. No, that's enough. That's just right there. Just one side of it. Just a little bit. Then you're going to get some white. Let's do white. And then we're going to kind of come back to where that one is and go around that one. So you're just going to kind of go in spots. There you go. Ooh, pretty. Like, just like that. Perfect. Now lit up with this like creamy color, this peachy color. And we're going to kind of come up behind your white that you put on and come around that a little bit. Okay, and then kind of make sure it's close to the, yeah. Now when you're going, you're getting big enough in your rose that we're going to lit up with some red again. But when you go around this time, make it kind of bumpy and wiggly as you go. So you kind of start and you make it a little bit wiggly like this as you go. Make it kind of bumpy. There you go, yeah. Okay, and then we can load up with some more, let's do the hot pink color again. And we'll kind of start with this red and come around and make it wiggly as we go. Like that. See how pretty, ooh, see how pretty that looks? I need some more pink already. Okay, so let's do another ring of white around it. Can we do another ring of white? Yeah, and make it kind of get bumpy as you're going. Just kind of give it a little bit of like, take your paintbrush and kind of wiggle it a little bit. There you go. Ooh, pretty. Now let's do another red. Another red. Ooh, and another hot pink. Yeah, right there. That's good, Oakley. Start your hot pink right about there. That's pretty. See all those fun lines in it? And just twist your paintbrush around. Oh, that's pretty. We'll do one more white. Right. And you can go back on top of your layers too if you need a spot that needs something. Yeah, oh pretty, look at that. Okay, now we're gonna rinse our brush out. We're gonna do a prettier, littler flowers in here. Which I don't have very much good room for, but hopefully you got lots of room for it right here. That'll be a pretty flower right there. So we're just gonna do a lighter flower this time. We're gonna do a peach circle for the middle. So do a little peach circle for the middle. Okay, yeah, right about there, that's good. Okay, do a little bit bigger circle, Oakley, a little bit bigger. Then you take your white next, and we're gonna, with your paintbrush, still have pink in it, peach in it, I mean. And just wrap it around the same way you did before. Okay, so then get some peach. And then we're gonna wrap around that one. Okay. And if you want to throw just a little bit of pink in there to make it show up just a little bit more, I'll throw some pink in there like that. This one's a little bit lighter rose color. Okay. Let's take some white again and go around the outside of that one. Make sure your lines get a little bit wiggly as they come out. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to do a white layer right in here. There you go. Okay. There's a whole bunch of swirls. That's as big as I want mine to be, but you can make yours a little bit bigger, okay? So give it a couple good more layers. Yep, stop right there, and then you kind of get another color. Yeah, there you go. Get another one of these peaches colors. Throw that on there. Ooh, that's pretty. You can make it a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. Is that good? Yeah, make another. Make as many as you want. Aren't they pretty? They're fun, huh? Aren't they pretty? And that one, I don't know if I want this one to be in front or that one to be in front. If you want this one to be in front, you just take the colors from before and just kind of make it right on top and go a part of that flower, and it makes it look like that one's sitting in front of the other one. And if you get a lot of paint on there, they kind of get drippy and kind of interesting looking. So. Interesting, huh? When you rinse out your flower, Polka's going to do another third flower on there, which is really pretty. Kind of watch your drips, because sometimes it might drip a little too much. Mine's dripping a little too much. Ooh, that's pretty with the third one in there, huh? That looks pretty with 3 flowers. And the last little thing you do is just take the back of your paintbrush. This one will stay red in the middle because I think that's so pretty, but this one, give it a couple little dots of brown in the middle to give it a center. Like I just did the back of my paintbrush like that. You can easily do that, huh? Yeah, and if you want to do that for that one too, because you got light middle, that one has a light center, and that one has a dark center, so you won't be able to see it real good. And that is basically it. Look how pretty those are, and you can turn it this way even after you did it done. You can turn it this way.
But aren't you doing a little thing right here?
No, that's it. And then you can even write a word in there. You can write mom. You can write I love you. You could leave it the way it is. Should you write mom in it?
No.
Just don't leave yours the way it is. You can write your name in it and give it to your mom. That'd be fun, huh? Let me do one with this that says mom. I'm just going to do it in brown, so I'm going to go. Oh, there we go. Right. All right, you guys, we finished our paintings. Look how pretty these turned out. Really simple floral wreaths. You can do whatever you want with it. You can paint flowers on anything, right? You can paint flowers on like a shirt for your mom or
On an umbrella.
on her bra.
No, on her umbrella.
On an umbrella. On an umbrella for your mom. You could paint flowers on... Oh, don't get on your... Don't get on. I don't know, but look what Oakley did. She added another flower. Look how pretty. She's got 4 little flowers on hers, and I got 2 little flowers on mine. You could do as many flowers as you want, right?
Can I do 20?
20. You could do 20 flowers on yours if you want to. And if you have any little pencil lines left over after you're done or on your wreath that you started with, just take an eraser and erase those off. 40 roses? Oh, that'd be so cute. You could do like roses and roses and roses. Anyways, have fun with this one, you guys. Have fun and happy Mother's Day to all you fun mothers out there. See you next time.